you get so.
Yeah, just not what I'm going for, but jack smelt. I haven't caught those here before, but first for everything. He was tiny and I don't eat those. I probably should have kept him for bait, but it's whatever. It was still kind of fun to catch him. He's pretty far out there too. Let's see if we can get another. I'm trying to punch through this kelp. Holy shit, it's deep. Oh no. I did have one. Or not. I don't know. That was weird. That was a weird feeling. I like felt like a little thump, but then it was snagged. So I don't know if it was the current like pulling me into something or what. Did he really just pop off? There's another one. Another one. There we go. Another jack. There's another one. Oh my goodness. These things are so cool looking.